आज का ब्लॉग भी होने वाला है खास, बिकॉज एज आई ऑलवेज कम अप विद माई कुकिंग ब्लॉग जो होते हैं बहुत आसान, स्पाइसी, तड़ाकेदार, विद इनोवेशन, विद ट्विस्ट एंड सुपर इजी ingredients, easy cooking, and it's gonna taste amazing. So guys, are you ready with that? Yes, you are ready with that, and please keep watching my video until the end to see the final result, to see the final cooking and the plating of that delicious thing. And it's gonna be, as my channel name says, Desi Mr Mrs vlogs, so it's gonna be something desi. It's gonna be a desi burger. Are you getting it? पता चल रहा है क्या मैं बहुत किस चीज की मैं बात कर रही हूँ? Keep guessing, keep guessing, keep guessing. Okay, let's not make you wait more and बातें ज़्यादा ना करूँ मैं. Let's go with the recipe, and it's gonna be Vada Pav. Yummy, delicious Indian burger, that is Vada Pav. And guys, that spicy, that tadka, that potato, and the crispy this besan coating on top. Amazing. So as the name say, वड़ा पाव, हम लोग यही सोचते थे कि बाहर मिलेगा, हम बाहर से खाएंगे, एंड यहाँ पे जैसी सिचुएशन चल रही है हर एक देश में कि शॉप्स बंद है, रेस्टोरेंट्स बंद है, डिलीवरी थोड़ी जगहों पे है, बट डिलीवरी टेक्स अ लॉन्ग. बट ये जो रेसिपी है ना, ये जब बनाओ तभी खाओ तो मज़ा है, और अपने हाथ की बात ही कुछ और होती है. जब आप बनाते हो ना, यू फील दैट कंटेंटमेंट, हो ना, अच्छी सी खुशी मिलती है जब आप खुद बना के खाते हो. And so let's do the cooking now. बहुत हो गई बातें. So let's roll the recipe. It's gonna be Vada Pav recipe. And if you enjoy watching my videos, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and hit that bell icon below to get more updates, to get more videos, to see more of my cooking vlogs, and to see more of the vlogs on my channel. So guys, stay tuned until the end to see the amazing plating by me. So let's get the videos rolling.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more, and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night another song, they've been quiet all alone, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
जीरा के बाद हम जान डालेंगे अपना जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट. अगर आपको, आप जिंजर और गार्लिक ऐसे भी डाल सकते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा, मतलब लाइक काट करके फाइन. मैंने यहाँ पे पेस्ट का इस्तेमाल किया है. Then we'll put green chili and some coriander, finely chopped. हम इसको मिला लेंगे.
Both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke, and I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night.
Then we'll put some haldi.
All alone, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
Like just 1 teaspoon of haldi. We'll mix it together nicely. And अब हम डालेंगे अपने mashed potatoes. हमने ये उबाल करके छील दिया है, और हम इसमें mashed potatoes डालेंगे.
I want it, I like it, I buy it. quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I want.
गैस को हमको मीडियम फ्लेम पे रखना है.
Know that I run it, yeah. Look at me now, I came up. I've been thinking back then when I almost gave up on the game, cause I never got it my way. Never got my mama whip on the driveway. I've been making all hits on a Friday. Back then I was getting like no plays. I'm never gonna change, no Kanye. Gotta get a Lambo like Green Bay. I made a lot, but then I gave a lot, and now I had enough. But I've been keeping up, and now I pay the price to what I'm dreaming of. I had to sacrifice, and now I see the love. Everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in the cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, my family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio cooking up music, cause I know I never got time to waste. This is a decision I gotta make. Made it here, I can't stop now. Had to make what I got now. This the life I chose, seen the highs and lows. I've been getting what I want now. Middle finger to the middleman. Fuck what you posting on Instagram. Never been part of the fake shit. Everyone rapping, I swear that I hate it. Yeah, all of them wanna be famous. Give them a week and they fading. You buying a chain, I'm buying a crib, cause we not the same. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it, yeah.
world. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.